Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fill out a money order for rent. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, purchase a money order for the exact amount of your rent payment. Before filling it out, make sure the printed amount matches the amount you want to pay. Next, look for the Pay to or Pay to the Order of section on the money order. In this section, write the full name of your landlord, property manager, or apartment company exactly as listed in your lease agreement or payment instructions. After that, fill out your information in the purchaser, sender, or from section. Write your full legal name and your current address clearly using black or blue ink. Then, find the memo or payment section on the money order. Here, write details related to your rent payment, such as your apartment number, unit number, or the rental month. This helps your landlord apply the payment correctly. Next, sign the front of the money order in the purchaser signature section. Do not sign the back because that section is reserved for the recipient when they cash or deposit the money order. Before giving the money order to your landlord, detach and keep the receipt portion for your records. The receipt can help you track the payment if needed later. Once everything is completed, deliver the money order to your landlord or mail it to the address provided for rent payments. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.